Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. This is Ali from Khammam city of Telangana state, and in this video we will do all key lost or add key programming for Hyundai Creta 2018 model blade key with the help of our OBD Star KMD DP5. For this particular Creta vehicle, the same procedure for doing all key lost key programming or add key programming with the help of our OBD Star DP5. So if we are doing add key programming, then we have to reprogram the previous keys along with our new key. For this particular Creta vehicle, we have to use ID47 normal, or also we can use ID47 normal whose KMD number is 651 hash. And also we can use XOR's super chip which is generated as ID47 blank. So with the help of this one also we can do all key lost key programming or add key programming for Hyundai Creta vehicle. So to generate the remote for this particular Creta vehicle 2018 model, we should use KD B series remote or NB series remote which are generated as Hyundai Creta India with 433 MHz frequency. To use the XOS remotes for this particular Creta 2018 model, we can generate the remote as RKE 4F17 Creta India 1227 with 433.92 frequency with the help of wire remote or wireless remote. And we may also generate the remote as Creta 2016 FSK 433 MHz frequency with the help of wire or wireless remote by using XOS remotes. Now we will start our all key lost key programming for Hyundai Creta 2018 model with the help of KMD DP5. So this is the desktop of the DP5. Now we should go for DP, and now we have to agree the terms and conditions of OBD Star. Then we should go for immo, nothing but immobilizer, and now we can enter into all or Asia option. So I am going for Asia, and the first column, last one, Hyundai Genesis. We have to enter into Hyundai Genesis, and now the latest version, and now the tool is initializing, PCI is upgrading. The tool is initializing. Authorizing now. So before doing key programming for Hyundai vehicles, we have to read the pin code. First of all, we have to read the pin code, then after we will start our key programming. So that's why we have to enter into read pin code option. So press enter. So in this one we got blade and proximity. So our vehicle is blade key, that's why we should enter into blade option. Otherwise if our vehicle is a smart key, then we have to go for proximity key. So here I am going for blade option. So here we should go for read pin code option, and here we have to select read pin code via OBD, onboard diagnostic. And now the tool is communicating with the vehicle, reading data. So here our DP5 is reading the pin code for our Creta vehicle. So reading pin code process is going on. This will take around about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's finishing. Here the tool is communicating, and here we got the pin code as 1581896. 6 digits pin code we got. So with the help of our OBD Star KMD DP5, we successfully read the pin code for Creta vehicle 2018 model blade key. After successfully reading the pin code, to do the key programming we have to enter into Hyundai option. That's why we should go for Hyundai. So here we got two options, that is manual select model and manual select system. In both of the options we can do our key programming, but right now I am going into manual select system. Here we got three options, that is blade, remote, proximity. To program the remote we have to enter into remote, To program the smart key, we have to enter into the proximity, and to program the blade key, we have to enter into blade option. That's why I am entering into blade. So for this particular vehicle, we have to go for type 6. So here we will get different types. For this Creta vehicle, we have to enter type 6. So type 6 scan. So in this menu we got live data, program keys and advanced functions. So to do our key program, we have to select program keys. That's why I am going for program keys. And in this menu, after this function is executed, all the keys will be erased and reprogrammed to use. If you need to perform this function, please have all the keys ready, and to continue, escape to return. That means if you are doing add key programming, then all the previous keys will be erased and we have to reprogram the older keys along with our new key. So here we have to press enter. And in this menu the tool says insert the key and switch ignition on. So we have to insert the proper key and proper transponder, and then we have to ignition on. And now the tool is communicating. Please input the pin code. Note, 3 consecutive incorrect pin codes will cause the ECU to enter the emo state. That means if we enter the 3 pin codes continuously wrongly, then the ECU will be locked. So we have to enter the pin code very carefully. So here press enter. Input value, enter. Communicating. Whether to program the first key, that means we have to press enter. We have to program the first key also. So press enter here. Program success. Whether to program the next one? No, I don't want to program any more keys, so I am pressing here escape. Communicating. And here the tool says turn off the ignition for 10 seconds, then turn on the ignition. So we have to switch ignition off for 10 seconds. After that we have to turn on the ignition, then we will start our vehicle. Now press enter. Communicating. The number of current keys 1. Now press enter. Program complete. So here we completed our key programming, all key loss key programming for Creta with the help of our KMD DP5. Program the remote, we have to select again manual select system, and then we have to go for remote. To program the remote, we have to enter into remote option. Press enter. Now we have 10 pin, 16 pin, we have to go for 16 pin. And again we got different types, so go for type 6 scan and program remotes. Press enter. Now the tool says switch ignition on, turn on the ignition and press enter. Now the tool is communicating. The tool says switch ignition on and then switch ignition off and remove the key. Press enter to continue. So we have to turn on the ignition, then turn off the ignition and remove the key, then press enter. Now the tool is communicating. And here the tool says program remote. Press lock or unlock for more than 1 second. So we have to press either lock button or unlock button of the remote for more than 1 second. So now I am pressing the lock button, pressing and holding the lock button for 1 second. Now the tool is communicating. Program success. Whether to program next one? No, I don't want to program the second remote, so I am pressing escape. Now the tool is communicating. Program complete. So press enter. So we successfully programmed the remote for the Creta vehicle with the help of DP5. So now press enter. Now I am inserting the key and switch ignition on. Turning on ignition. Now I am going to start the vehicle. Here the vehicle is started. Vehicle is started perfectly. The transponder is programmable. This is the actual Creta vehicle. Actual Creta vehicle. in which I did the key programming, all class key programming. ओके ओपन करो अब ये। हाँ 1 लाख दबाओ, करीब में रखिए राइट।